You know that apartment? The one that looks like a $5,000 designer suite? But your friend is just as broke as you are? It's all clean lines, plush textures, and zero clutter. That perfect, quiet luxury vibe. You probably think a home that looks that expensive is completely out of reach. Well, it's all an illusion. A beautiful, achievable illusion. And today, I'm going to show you how to get that exact look for under $300. No renovations, no begging your landlord, and no permanent changes. I'm about to spill all the secrets to faking a high-end designer look on a tiny budget. We're going room by room, step by step. And by the end of this, you'll have the complete playbook to turn your own space into a luxury sanctuary that looks 10 times what it actually cost. So, if you're ready to stop waiting and start living beautifully, let's get into it. Section 1. The living room. The $80 first impression. We're starting in the living room because, let's be honest, this is the money shot. It's the first space your guests see, and it's your biggest opportunity to set that modern, minimalist hotel lobby tone. We're aiming for oversized neutrals, soft, layered lighting, and subtle elegance. Our total spend here? Just $80. First, anchor the room with texture. The fastest way to do this is with a beautiful, cozy throw blanket. But not just any blanket. You want something that looks heavy and feels ridiculously soft. Trick number 1. Add a luxe throw blanket, $25. For about $25, you can find a creamy faux cashmere or a high-pile fleece throw to drape artfully over your sofa. This one simple move immediately adds a layer of cozy sophistication. It just signals comfort and quality, that I definitely hired an interior designer kind of vibe. Next, let's talk about a classic designer move, creating a vignette. It's just a fancy word for a small, styled group of objects. The secret to making it look expensive is using a tray to ground everything. Trick number 2. Create a vignette on a tray. For around $15, grab a simple, elegant tray in a matte gold or black finish and place it on your coffee table. Now, don't just toss your keys on it. The rule of 3 is your best friend. Group 3 items of different heights. A small stack of books, a simple ceramic vase, with or without a single green stem, and a chic little candle. That's it. You just turned potential clutter into a curated, high-end display. Finally, the most important element for faking luxury: lighting. Nothing screams cheap rental like that single, harsh overhead light. Luxury is all about creating a mood with layers of warm, ambient light. Trick number 3. Layer your lighting. $40. So we're going to pretend that ceiling fixture doesn't even exist, and instead spend our last $40 on a pair of simple, modern floor lamps. You can find sleek, dimmable LED lamps that blend right in. Place one on either side of your sofa or in opposite corners. Set them to a warm, golden glow, and the whole vibe of the room just shifts. It instantly feels more intimate, calm, and infinitely more expensive. Section 2. The bedroom. The $70 hotel sanctuary. The bedroom is your personal sanctuary. So the mission here is to make it feel like a 5-star boutique hotel. Think crisp whites, plush layers, and a deep sense of calm. You can totally transform the vibe in here for just $70. If there's one trick you need to know for a luxury bedroom, it's this: the all-white bed. Trick number 1. The all-white bed. $30. The best hotels in the world do this because it just feels clean, airy, and incredibly plush. For about $30, invest in a simple white duvet cover. You don't need a crazy high thread count. A good microfiber or a linen look fabric can look just as chic. The secret is all in the styling. Use a fluffy duvet insert, and then add 2 oversized Euro shams at the back to make the bed look full and grand. Here's a pro tip. Use king-sized pillows on a queen bed to make it feel even more expansive and inviting. Now for the nightstands. Just like the coffee table, these are prime real estate for a little curated elegance. For about $15, you can get a small faux marble or stone tray. This little surface is perfect for holding a book, a small carafe of water, or a reed diffuser. And a quick note on scent. Luxury is subtle. Go for clean, natural scents like sandalwood or linen, or honestly, nothing at all. It's the visual that matters most here. The final touch to ground this space is a rug. You're probably thinking a rug is way out of a $70 budget, but you don't need a massive carpet. For just $25, you can find a small, neutral jute or a low-pile textured rug to place right beside your bed. That first step in the morning onto something soft and natural immediately elevates the whole experience of the room. It defines the sleeping area and adds another layer of texture that makes everything feel complete. Okay, quick pause. If you're finding these tips helpful, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button below. It's totally free. It helps the channel a ton, and it means you won't miss out on more budget design secrets just like these. Even if you don't have a formal foyer and your entryway is just a wall by the door, it's the first impression your home makes. It needs to set the tone and whisper, "Expensive," from the second someone walks in. We can create that wow moment for just $35. First, you need a drop zone that's both functional and stylish. Instead of a clunky table, think vertically. For about $15, you can install a slim, floating wall shelf. Trick number 1, go vertical, $15. Then, place a simple woven basket for shoes right underneath it. This keeps clutter off the floor while looking incredibly chic and organized. The second part of this is the oldest and maybe the best designer trick for small spaces: a mirror. Trick number 2, add a leaning mirror, $20. For just $20, you can find a simple, full-length leaning mirror. You don't even have to hang it. Just lean it against the wall. A mirror instantly makes any space feel bigger and brighter by bouncing light around, and it gives you a spot for that last-minute check before you head out. A slim shelf, a basket, and a mirror. It's a cheap but incredibly effective combo that creates a real sense of arrival. Section 4, the bathroom. The $35 spa escape, the bathroom. $35. Let's be real, we often neglect our bathrooms, but with just a couple of tiny tweaks, you can make yours feel like a minimalist spa. All we need here is $35. Start with your textiles. Ditch those mismatched, faded towels. For about $15, you can get a set of 3 new, fluffy white towels. Trick number 1, display fluffy white towels. $15. The trick isn't just having them, it's how you display them. Don't just hang them on the bar. Roll them tightly and stack them in a neat pyramid on a shelf or on the back of the toilet. It's that classic hotel fold that instantly signals luxury and order. Next, get the clutter off your countertop. For $15, find a small bamboo or stone tray. Trick number 2, use a countertop tray. $15. On this tray, place a nice-looking soap dispenser and maybe a single small plant. Everything else, your toothbrush, your half-empty face wash, your skincare bottles, gets hidden away. Creating this one serene, uncluttered zone makes the whole bathroom feel cleaner and more zen. Finally, for the last $15, upgrade your shower experience. Trick number 3, create a spa shower. $30. You can find simple rain effect shower heads that are surprisingly easy to install and make your daily shower feel like a spa treatment. Or, if you can't change the fixture, a simple tension rod shower caddy in a matte black finish will organize your bottles and make the space feel way more intentional. Our final stop is the kitchen. The goal here isn't a full renovation. It's a quick, sleek refresh to make the space feel organized and high-end. And we're going to do it all for just $45. First, let's edit what's living on your countertops. The key to taming the chaos is cohesive storage. Trick number 1, cohesive canisters, $20. For about $20, buy a set of simple, matte white or black ceramic canisters for things like flour, sugar, and coffee. This creates a uniform, clean look that hides all that messy, colorful packaging and makes your kitchen feel like a professionally organized pantry. Next, another tray hack, but for the kitchen. For just $10, find a beautiful wooden cutting board. Don't use it for chopping. Trick number 2. Style a cutting board. $10. Instead, lean it against your backsplash and use it as a decorative base to hold your bottle of olive oil, a salt cellar, and a small pot of fresh herbs. It groups everyday items into a stylish feature that feels very chef's kitchen. Our final $15 will be spent on what I think is a total game changer: under cabinet lighting. Trick number 3. Add under cabinet LEDs. $15. You can get peel and stick LED light strips that require zero tools and no wiring. Just run them under your upper cabinets. The soft glow they cast on your countertops not only gives you great task lighting, but adds a layer of warmth and dimension that makes any kitchen look custom-built. So, let's tally it up. The living room for $80, the bedroom for $70, the entryway for $25, the bathroom for $35, and the kitchen for $45. A home that feels luxurious isn't about having a ton of money. It's not about owning your space or waiting for the perfect furniture. It's about layering textures, controlling the light, and curating your surfaces. It's about creating that feeling of luxury through smart, affordable choices. Luxury is about being intentional. You now have the exact playbook to do this in your own home. You can absolutely pull this off this weekend and create a space that feels calm, inspiring, and so you. The power to create a home you truly love is completely in your hands. If you loved this budget-friendly glow-up, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more secrets on how to make your home look expensive for less. What was your favorite tip? Drop a comment on your favorite tip below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.